Morning, wonderful people. Today is Friday. Woo-hoo. It's the weekend, and I am on the road to my best friend's house because we're going to Atlanta. So that's what we're doing. We're going to Atlanta. We're going to visit All Nations Worship Assembly. Tonight, they are having a worship service, and then tomorrow is like a volunteer training. And then Sunday is church, so we're going to be churched up. But I am on 40 right now on the main highway I'm going by Herbalife to get me and friends some lit teas and get me a healthy meal replacement. I was on a good time schedule, but things happen, things pop up. So I had to make a minor detour. Okay, ain't it? I love it.
Mama, we so country. We ain't never seen this before.
And I'm just this vlogger.
It's like we on the highway and they just literally splitting traffic. This is crazy. Oh, there go the aquarium exit.
Where she work at?
Hey, girl.
Did she say where she work at?
Yeah.
She didn't say. It's somewhere downtown though. Oh Lord. Y'all finna give me a new car? Yeah. But she's somewhere down here downtown. We ain't about 3 miles from it, but with traffic and stuff.
Well, not like that though.
Really?
You going out to eat?
You had to rent them?
Yeah, it's an app on your phone. You just
That's cool.
This is my cousin's best friend, y'all. So where we going, bro? We going to what?
We're going to Taco Mat.
Taco Mat. I did not vlog inside of the church because I didn't want to get copyrighted. And plus, I wanted some good worship. So, but I will put clips in from my Snapchat right here. Everyone, today is Saturday and me and best friend are going to All Nations for the volunteer training. I hope y'all got some footage of last night. I was kind of tired, all that driving that we all had did. So then I didn't want to get copyrighted, so I kind of didn't want to vlog inside of the building. We could take in the car. Food in here.
Because I left mine in the last
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Trying to get myself together. Okay, y'all. So we made it to All Nations. I don't know if I want to record in here or not because this is like a meeting, so I'm gonna have to catch y'all. My hair is being not so nice today, but it's best friend, y'all. So I'm gonna have to catch y'all whenever we get out. Okay, be right back. Alright, y'all, so we just got out of the meeting and now we're hungry, so we gotta find something to eat. We're gonna go back to my cousin's house and I guess she's gonna look something up. Yeah. We gonna find out what we want to eat. But woo Lord, I gotta change. Yes, I gotta change my registration dates. Cause friend signed up for all 3 days and only signed up for 1 day. So I'm gonna change my dates in the end. But she was talking about the greeters and the ushers. I did like the greeters, but I'm like, I'm gonna be flexible. But I don't know if I want to, you know. So I want to see if I can like change that as well too. But y'all, we kind of networking and stuff a little bit, so that's good. We done met somebody new. I love meeting new people and being sociable. So, and I'm hungry too. Y'all, we had Tendrome. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Tendrome the other day at my cousin's job, and it was so good. I had like the teriyaki chicken. And ooh, it was just delicious. It had onions in it and some carrots, and it was just well manicured, real good. So, but yeah, y'all. And this is the church. I think I already like. We're sitting in the parking lot. We're trying to figure out. Got my little lit tea right here. Still trying to. They have a Herbalife up here, but it's like in what was it, Lawrenceville, Georgia, and that's like 30 to 45 minutes away. And I'm just like, next time we come up here, I'll be well prepared. I will have my Herbalife on deck. So stay tuned, you guys. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but good morning, everyone. I have been slacking on like vlogging and stuff, so, but it's okay. We're going to church this morning at 11 a.m. to All Nations. All Nations Atlanta. We are ready. Keep doing my hair like this. My edge control didn't work so much, but that's okay. All right. That is like so much better. It looks so much clearer. I had it on the wrong mode. I had the camera on the wrong mode. That's why it was all wonky. I'm trying to figure out like what in the world is going on with it. Y'all hear that thunder last night?
Girl,
Oh yeah, I heard it.
Knocked out though.
Had my window up too. Okay. So we get ready to walk into church.
Is the vehicle that carries us into the presence of God, right? We cannot go into the presence of God on our own. We are not worthy to go into the presence of God on our own. But because of the blood, there was a sacrifice made, and the veil that separated us from God, that separated us from having fellowship with God, was rent from top to bottom. The Bible says that at his sacrifice, that the veil was rent from top to bottom. And the veil that separated us from the fullness of his grace was torn. And so now he looks at us through the eyes of grace, right? We talked about one of the motors of faith. Ephesians tells us that we are saved by grace through faith. Everybody say that. By grace.
By grace.
Through faith.
Through faith.
By grace. Through faith. So we saw that grace is the vehicle in which we are saved, but faith is one of the activators. It's the motor. It's the kinetic energy. It causes grace to move us. People have just think about grace moving us away from hell, but it doesn't just move us away from hell. It moves us into promise. It moves us into presence. It moves us into purpose. Everybody say, grace moves us.
Grace moves us.
Not only does grace have the ability to move us when we have acts of faith, but another act that we have to grasp hold to, and another act that we have to master as believers is an act that we